Hello everybody on the interwebs. Today we're going to be making a beautiful mixed green and berry salad. I'm Chef Cash White, and God has delivered me from my circumstances and placed me here so I can share my love of food with you. Today we're going to be making a beautiful mixed green and berry salad. The list of ingredients is below in the description. And remember, if you're watching on a mobile device, you can double click on the left side or right side and it'll go backwards and forwards in case you missed something. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, I went to the grocery store and I bought this beautiful mixture of arugula and baby spinach. Two of my favorite leafy greens. Arugula is delicious. It's got a nice peppery flavor, and the baby spinach in here is just nice, watery, green, and fresh. So we're going to put a couple of handfuls in here, maybe about 2 cups to start, and that's gonna be our base. We're just gonna build on top of it. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some thinly sliced red onion. Make sure you get all the onion paper off. It is not a very pleasant taste. With my red onions in salads, what I like to do is I like to get longer strips that are very, very thin. So I'm gonna take my onion and I'm gonna make 3 slices, just like that, equal distance apart. So that way, each of the slices is about the same length. Then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna try to get these as thin as possible. Beautiful. About 1/4 of an onion is gonna be just enough. Just move them around in your hand a little bit to get them separated. Next, we're gonna half some cherry tomatoes. You can leave them whole if you like to give you a little extra texture. They'll kind of pop in your mouth. I like to cut them in half. So we're gonna take about 1/4 cup of these. Just about that much. Not a whole bunch, but you know, equal amounts, about the same amount as onion. We're gonna take some fresh blueberries. I've already washed these, and I'm just gonna take a handful and toss them in. We have some fresh raspberries here. I've also washed these. I'm gonna toss those in too. I'm gonna take about 1 cup of walnuts. Just chop them up, kind of a rough chop. Last thing, I'm gonna use a little bit of green apple. Whenever I cut my green apple, I always cut one side right here, lay it flat, and then cut around the core. Makes it a lot easier to deal with. Then I'm gonna just do a little quick dice on these, 1/4-inch dice. Now that we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, we're gonna start on the dressing. A cool little trick I picked up along the way was using these things. The things you use to make protein drinks with a little shaker ball in it. You can use them to throw together quick dressings. It's a great little tip I learned. We're gonna build an apple cider vinaigrette. I love apple cider vinegar. It's very healthy. It's good for your stomach, your digestive system, and it's got a great flavor. So we're gonna start with avocado oil. I like avocado oil. It has a lot of healthy fats, and it's a lighter oil with a higher smoking temperature. So we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons of that. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. A 3-to-2 ratio is a good ratio on a vinaigrette. That's oil to vinegar. We're gonna put just a touch of Dijon mustard. That acts as an emulsifier. It helps to mix up the oil and the vinegar. We're gonna add a pinch kosher salt, pinch of granulated garlic, pinch of Italian seasoning, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Screw the lid on. Make sure this thing's closed. You don't want this all over yourself in your kitchen. And give it a shake. All right, it'll come together just like that. Looks beautiful. We're gonna add it to our salad, toss. We have 2 more ingredients to add. I have a couple of hard-boiled eggs here. I always keep about 6 hard-boiled eggs in my refrigerator because I like to throw them in different ingredients. It's some added protein. You can take the place of a meat in a recipe a lot of the times. So we're just gonna take this guy and cut it up. I had a little bit of goat cheese left over from another recipe whenever we did our bruschetta recipe. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna crumble it with my hand and sprinkle it in my salad. There you go. It's a beautiful mixed green and berry salad. If you like recipes like this, have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please post them in the comments down below. If you like what you saw and would like to see more of it, click the subscribe button. And guys, the most important thing is keep the faith, enjoy the food. God bless you guys. Love you. And give it a shake. I did it. I finally did it. I finally did it.